Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to restart your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're running into any issues with your Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead and restart it? Now, normally what happens with your Nintendo Switch 2 is that it actually just often enters sleep mode so that it's ready to go ahead and start. But in order to restart it, all you've got to do is that you want to find the power button, which is located right over here. And you want to press and hold it down. So it's going to take a couple seconds, but if you press and hold down this button, you're going to see this option called Power Options. You want to go ahead and click on Power Options, and then go ahead and click on Restart. So once you click on that, that is going to restart your Nintendo Switch 2. It's going to go ahead and reboot it. And so if you have any black screen issues, if you're running into any frozen issues, that should go ahead and fix your Nintendo Switch. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.